Okay, so let's quickly review week 4 and then look ahead to week 5. So I've graded the discussions. Those are really good for the most part. Really good work in there. There's a few of you that didn't get in, so try and get in. We are coming up on week 5, so we're getting almost to the halfway point. But a good week in the discussions. Your crime scene investigation assignments, I've graded about half of those. Very good so far, what I've seen. I'm going to finish up the rest more than likely tonight or tomorrow morning, and they'll be graded. So, and then I'm also looking at the Lab 2-1 quiz and Lab 2-2 quiz. Looks like most of you have taken that, but there's a few of you that haven't, so let's try and get caught up on those two as well. All right, so here we are, week 5. So this is our 5th week of criminal investigation. We're going to be going over effective ways to apply the investigative process to violent crimes. So you're going to read chapters 8 and 9 from your textbook, and then you're also going to watch the week 5 lectures 1 and 2. So we have our discussion week 5. We're going to be going over assault and legal force. So assaults can range simply from causing fear to another person, or the threat of bodily harm or death, or attempting to inflict bodily harm or murder, killing someone. So we're going to go over that. And then we must remember that in many instances where people use legal force to protect themselves. So law enforcement officers also do that when attempting to detain someone, a suspect who's not cooperative. So if you can, you're going to give at least 2 examples of real-life stories from television or the news within the past 3 years where public officials, such as a teacher, bus driver, or a law enforcement officer, used physical force against someone, but it was deemed legal. You can also respond. You also need to respond to at least one of the posts throughout this week. Okay, so for this week, we have a couple of lab quizzes, Lab 3-1, Lab 3-2, as well as your week 5 quiz. And then there's also a section you can go over and start getting ready for your week 6 written assignment on homicide investigations. So next week I will be posting your midterm grades. So like I said at the beginning of this video, if any of you are behind any classwork in the first 4 weeks, including the discussions, let's start getting those in. That way when I do post your midterm grades, you're at a passing grade or higher. So again, if you have any questions, email me, text me, or give me a call. Okay? So good luck to all of you in week 5.